Whispers rise on the ocean's glow, a ripple soft where the heartbeats flow. Breath of stars, it hums, it weaves. In stillness vast, the soul believes. Flowing light, it sets us free. Harmony and love's embrace. Veil of time in melted face, threads of dawn, golden braids, a sacred sound, it finds the core, a quiet pulse forevermore. Flowing light, it sets us free. Harmony and love's embrace. Tides of grace, they softly call. Through the spheres we feel it all. Nakisha, infinite love guides the way. Flowing light, it sets us free.